Tired of chasing girls and trying to prove yourself to them? Wouldn't it be nice to make girls chase you for change? I bet I know your answers. That's why we will show you some of the most efficient tactics on how to make her chase you. Mastering these techniques isn't overly challenging, and once you grasp the knack of having women pursue you, you'll see your dating life change for the better. Simply maintain a composed demeanor and consistently pique her curiosity. It's a game of playing hard to get. It is one of the most common strategies that many people use when it comes to dating. If you learn this fine art of seduction and these rules to make women chase you, it'll be like your superpower. However, you shouldn't use these tips to make every girl you meet chase you. Use it only on the one you truly like, or, even better, the one you're in love with. Here are some golden rules that will help you approach a beautiful woman, make her fall in love with you instantly, and make her chase you. Let's get started. Rule number 1. The first impression is always important. First impressions are powerful and lasting, and that's why you have to do everything you can to make it a great one. A woman will always remember the first time she met you. If you want to get the girl to chase you and fall in love with you instantly, you have to nail the first impression and make her realize what a nice guy you indeed are. Believe me, it'll be love at first sight. Another key aspect to consider is the approach you take when engaging with her. You don't have to be a pickup artist, but you'll have to find or come up with a nice and romantic pickup line for her. However, sometimes things can go wrong and you can fail to leave a good first impression. But here's the good news. If that happens, I've got some great advice for you. Women are reasonable and forgiving when it comes to that, and they'll give you a second chance to turn things around. Rule number 2. Use your body language to seduce her. If you want to get the girl to chase you, using appropriate body language is probably the best way to do it. It's effortless. You just have to know some tricks. First of all, eye contact. Make eye contact every time you talk to her. That's how you'll show her that you are interested in her. If she is also looking you directly in the eyes, it's a strong indication that she's interested in you as well. Smile while you're talking to her. A smile can sell basically anything you say. Also, it'll help you look more relaxed, fun, and friendly. Your posture has many benefits for your appearance and your physical health also. It says a lot about your confidence. If you have bad posture, you can always improve it. Find some exercises, stand in front of a mirror, and get the posture that will make women chase you. Rule number 3. Invest in yourself. There are plenty of other ways to attract women besides your looks, but we all like it when someone takes care of their physical appearance. Exercise, eat healthy food, take care of personal hygiene. Don't forget that women are crazy for men that smell good. Be sure to use deodorant or a pleasing cologne. Dress in clothes that complement your body shape. A well-styled haircut can markedly enhance your overall appearance. Also, your haircut tells a lot about your personality. Physical appearance is also related to your self-esteem, and a well-known fact is that women always fall for confident men. Looking good and attractive will boost your confidence, and you won't feel insecure around girls. So, like the famous dating coach, Darcy Carter, says in her book, stop acting like an attractive man and become an attractive man. When you focus on yourself, women will naturally be drawn to you, and you'll find yourself in a position where you have more options when it comes to dating and relationships. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, take care.